How to create a search box in Excel like this, where if you type something in the search box, names or data from another sheet will appear. Let's do it together. First, in the student list sheet, convert your data into a table. Press Ctrl-A to select all the data, then press Ctrl-T to turn it into a table. Make sure the My Table has headers box is checked if your data has headers. Click OK. Now your data is converted into a table. If you want to change the table style, go to Table Styles and choose the style you like. Next, uncheck the Filter button to make your table look cleaner. Then, let's name the table for easy reference. I'll name it Student List. Next, we'll create named ranges for the columns. Press Ctrl-Shift-F3, uncheck left column, and make sure only top row is checked. Click OK. Next, copy the headers and go to the search sheet, then paste them wherever you want. After that, go to the Insert tab, click Shapes, and choose the shape you like. Draw the shape above your header and pick your preferred theme style. Then, go back to the Insert tab. Select Icons and search for Search. This part is optional. Pick an icon you like and click Insert. Adjust the icon and choose a style if you want. Next, go to the Developer tab, click Insert, and under ActiveX Controls, select Text Box. Draw the text box inside the shape you created earlier and adjust its size if needed. Then, open the Properties window. In the Linked Cell field, link it to cell B5. This will be our reference for the formula later. To remove the text box border, set the border style to 0. Close the Properties window and click Design Mode to finalize the text box. Now you have a text box that you can use as a search box. Next, in cell B8, enter this formula to pull data from the other sheet. Type equals, then filter. For the array, type student list, which is the table we created earlier. Then type isNumber, then search. For the find text, type BFI and press F4 to make it absolute. This is the cell reference for our text box. For within text, type name. This is the column we'll use for matching the text. Type 2, closing parentheses, then add not found to show this message if there's no match. Close the formula and press Enter. Now whatever you type in the search box will appear filtered based on what you want to see. If the name or data is not in the list, it will return not found. Next, let's make your data look better. If you notice, when you search, there are no borders. We'll add borders. To do this, go to the View tab and uncheck Grid Lines. Click anywhere inside the data table, press Ctrl-A to select all. Go to the Home tab, click Conditional Formatting, then New Rule. Choose Format Only Cells that contain, then in the drop-down, select No Blanks. Click Format, go to the Border tab, pick the border color you like, and click the box so that a line appears on each side. Once done, click OK, then OK again. Now, when you search for a name, your data will automatically have borders. That's how you make a dynamic search box. Easy, right?